Hi friends, this is Krish the Urban Naxal. Friends, let me begin by saying I'm extremely sorry to all those people whom I have been ignoring for the past few days, few weeks and couple of months. There are people who have been trying to contact me since as early as December 10th or December 15th, and I have been ignoring them. I have been ignoring their WhatsApp messages, their calls. I do not return calls. I have not been responsive at all. I have not picked up their calls. My phone is often switched off or it is in do not disturb mode. I mean, whole lot of things. I have been very unresponsive the last couple of months. So, sincere apologies for that. I'll give you a long and detailed explanation about why I did that and why I have been doing that. But for the time being, let us focus on what we are going to do next. Friends, a new chapter is beginning. I want to have a new style of fighting. So I'm going to just very quickly tell you what you have to do in order to fight for your rights using my YouTube channel. The earlier method was like this. You called me because my numbers were there under these videos. My phone numbers are available, email address, WhatsApp, all this is available. So people generally called me, and when they called me, we had a long discussion about what their situation is. Then I gave them email proformas to send. I gave them proformas so that they could send email correspondence to the companies. Usually these are builder companies, sometimes other kinds of service providers like Club Mahindra or insurance companies like Bajaj Allianz. So they carried out correspondence. I guided them in carrying out correspondence, and then maybe we went and made a video. So a video happened after I had spent half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours with these people on phone, on email, drafting their stuff, all that. And then finally, maybe it resulted in a video. Very often it didn't even result in a video if the builder gave them their money. So what tended to happen is that many of the builder related problems have been hidden from the public's eye. I have been spending time in getting a resolution, and quite often there is a resolution, but one way or another, the public does not come to know that this builder is troublesome or this company is troublesome. So now I want to change the method. I want my channel to be a kind of a thermometer for corporates which are causing disputes with the general public, with flat buyers, with people who buy their products, even with employees. So I want my channel to become a kind of a dispute thermometer. Here is how we are going to do it. Now, if you have a problem with a company, I don't want you to call me first. I want you to first send me a selfie video. That is your first step to contacting me. My WhatsApp number is there under this video. My email address is there. My Twitter handle is also there. You may also contact me on LinkedIn, and I'll try and be more responsive. The important thing is you will first make a selfie video. You will send it to me on WhatsApp and say, Krish, I have sent you the selfie video. Or you will send it to me on Telegram, and you will tell me on WhatsApp or on Telegram, Krish, I have sent it to you. Or you will upload it to Google Drive and you will send me a link on WhatsApp and say, Krish, hi, my name is whatever, and I have sent you a video. Please take a look at it. My first step will be to publish that video. Now, I also want you to forward a few emails showing your dispute with that company. Forward your previous email correspondence to me on the email address that I have given you. Once you have done these two things, you sent me the video, a selfie video, and you sent me the emails, the previous correspondence showing that you have a dispute, you have an ongoing dispute with the company, I will first publish the video and send you the link on WhatsApp. I will first publish the video before any other correspondence happens with you or with the company. What I expect you to do at this point is you take that video, which will be basically your selfie video, maybe slightly edited by me for size, etc. You're going to take that selfie video and you're going to send it to the company, tag them on Twitter, tag me on Twitter, tag them and me on LinkedIn, okay? Send it to them by email, keep me in CC. So the first thing you're going to do is make them aware that you have published a video, or rather, I have published the video, you have made a selfie video and I have published the video on my channel. Now, what is the content of the video? Listen carefully. Your video will sound something like this. Hi, my name is Pradeep Goyal. I am an engineer in Chennai and I have purchased a property from XYZ builder, and this is his name. His name is whatever. Now you should have a printout of his name with types at least this size, at least. Could be bigger, don't make it smaller. So this is the name of the company. The name of the company is Lokesh Marketing Private Limited. It should be a company, or it can be a partnership firm. It can be a group of companies if that is how they have presented themselves to you. But I want a specific name, not something vague. The name of this company is Lokesh Marketing Private Limited, or whatever it is. So then you say, my dispute with this company is that I have given them 5 lakh rupees, and 5 lakh rupees is the content of dispute. Or you may say, there is a grievance because they are because of the 5 lakh rupees. Now don't go into further detail. Don't say they are fraud. Don't say they are cheating you. Don't say anything more, but say you have a grievance, you have a dispute. Grievance and dispute. Now the reason I'm telling you to say grievance and dispute is, if they have refused to give you back your money, for example, it is entirely possible that they're entitled to forfeit your money. So we are not talking about their entitlement, their ability or their legal right to forfeit it. We are not talking about it, or to take away your money. We are not talking about the legality of the matter. We are talking about your grievance about that action. See, what I want is, if the public has a grievance, whether the court will uphold it or not is irrelevant. The grievance exists. The dispute exists. I want the public to know that there is a dispute between this builder or this corporate entity and this person named whatever. Then I want you to say, so my grievance is with respect to, and this may be a different sheet of paper, with respect to, the so-and-so properties project in so-and-so area of Bangalore. It is a plots project in Whitefield, Bangalore. You could say something describing the project. It is a plot project, it is a pre-launch, whatever it is, you say it, but don't say anything negative, don't make any allegations against the company. Then you say, the names of the directors are this, read out each of the names of the directors or the partners. Read out whatever information you have, show it on the paper. the Rajesh Rastogi, Pappu Pistolwala, you know. So read out their names, read out the main people, and if there is a broker involved, say there is a broker and the broker's name is Johnny Jangiawala, and this guy is involved in our transaction. You are not accusing him of anything. You are saying he was instrumental in our transaction, he was involved in our transaction. Or you may say he received the money on behalf of the builder. You may say something like this, but not an allegation, and just something factual which comes out of your paperwork. Something very, very factual. Now, what you're going to then say is, my friends, I have contacted Krish and I am putting my whole dispute before the public. Okay, I want Krish's help and I want your help in resolving this dispute. Your help means whose help? Public's help. You are putting it before the public. Now, remember one thing. You are not alleging wrongdoing. You are not accusing them of anything. You are stating a plain and simple fact that there is a dispute between you and this company or this partnership firm or this group of companies. Some people have very fancy name. We are Kohinoor group of companies. They don't tell you the name of the company itself. The name of the company may be Ramesh Johnny Walker Private Limited. But it will be called Kohinoor Group of Companies or some such thing. I want you to name the group of companies, that is the brand. And then I want, for example, Runwal Builder brand. Actual name of the company would be Horizon Projects Private Limited. That's the name of the company. Name the brand. Show it like this. This is Kohinoor Group. Show the brochure if you have a brochure. And then you say the brand, the name of the actual company to whom I paid the money is so and so. Then I want you to say these are all the directors, and then I want you to point out, okay, this is the name of the project, this is the RERA number of this project, and this comes under Karnataka RERA. In this way, I want you to specify everything that is material to the project, to your this thing. Now, you may have a dispute. It may not be about money. It may be about late possession. You may say they promised delivery on 1st January 2021, and today we are already in March 2024, and there is a dispute concerning this. Don't allege the delay. Say they promised delivery, they promised possession on 1st Jan 2021. Whether they got a RERA extension, all that, I don't want to get into that. They promised a possession on such and such a date. Or they have sent me an interest, intimation letter saying that I am supposed to pay them 30,000 rupees interest for 1 month delay. This, and you put 30,000 rupees like in big print, interest, write the word interest, and say this is my dispute with them. So what are we doing? We are naming the company, we are naming the directors, we are telling the public that we have a dispute, and the topic of the dispute is 2 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees, 20 lakh rupees, late possession. Don't say late, because that's an allegation. They are giving it late, that's an allegation. They promised on this date, and today we are in March 2024. No allegation has been made, only a purely factual statement. For example, suppose a company has withheld your salary. They have not paid your salary, so they kicked you out, and then they did not give you your full and final, and they have held up 2 lakh rupees. 2 lakh rupees salary withheld. Okay, or just write 2 lakh rupees salary. This is the problem. This is the dispute. 2 lakh rupees salary. Now, do they have the right to withhold 2 lakh rupees salary? Maybe they did. Maybe it was there in the terms of your appointment letter. I don't know. I don't want to get into that at this point of time. We'll get into that afterwards in the second stage. In the first stage, you have a dispute, this company has withheld your salary, boom, just name the company. It can be a company, it can be a partnership firm, it can be a group of companies, it can be an IT company, it can be anything, it can be a government department. Your grievance can be with a government department. Whatever your grievance is, state it clearly that you have a grievance, you have a dispute. What is your dispute? What are the merits of your thing? On your side, what are the strong points? What are the facts? We will go into that in a second round later. First, I just want to put this out. You are having a dispute with so and so entity, and it will be a purely factual statement. Nothing defamatory, nothing that we have to defend, nothing that we need to defend. I hope I am clear. Do this, send me this video. You can make the video in the following languages which I know and understand: English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati and Kannada. These are 5 languages I understand. I can speak English and Hindi fluently and Kannada quite well, reasonably. I can understand Marathi and I speak Gujarati fluently. So, these 5 languages, you can make a video, send it to me. In other languages, if you make a video, it's going to be a little bit difficult for me to publish it. I may still do it, but there may be delays. If you do it in these 5 languages, not much delay, maybe in a day or 2, I will publish it. And after I publish it, you should send it to them on email, also LinkedIn, also Twitter, also Facebook, if you want or if you can. You will send it to them. You will tag them. You will tag me. I want you to do all this. After that, we will enter into the next step, which is your grievance with this company. And what is the grievance? And then we will enter into a detailed correspondence. I want the name of the company with whom you have a grievance and a dispute to be known to the public. I hope I have made myself clear. Please do not try to contact me first. Please don't try to argue with me. Please don't try to convince me to listen to your story before you have made this video. I hope this is abundantly clear. I look forward to receiving your videos on WhatsApp. Usually contact me on WhatsApp. You may email me also. I'll try and check my email more frequently. You may contact me on WhatsApp. That is the that is the mode I would suggest, where I am likely to be more prompt. Let us get started. Let us do this. I think this is going to give us more favorable results, and it will make the fight stronger. Fight against corporates which basically use unlawful methods to delay and to take away people's money and to give them a raw deal. This is the content of our fight. Our fight is against corporates which have been doing this, and yet their brand value is untouched because public never comes to know how many people have disputes with them. Now I want the public to know right in the beginning, without any reference to the merits of your case. I want the public to know that you have a dispute with this company. I want the public to see 1 dispute, 5 disputes, 10 disputes, 20, 40, 50, 100 disputes with this company, this group of companies, this type of companies, and so on. Let the public realize what corporates in India are doing. And it need not be only about India. It can be other companies abroad also. It could be a company in Dubai, it could be a company in Singapore, Hong Kong, and so on and so forth. But primarily, we are looking at India. Hope I am clear. I look forward to your videos. My apologies once again for not being very responsive to you guys. Let's start the fight again. Jai Maharashtra, Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.